What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how to 4x your affiliate sales using this exact funnel. Intro. Okay guys, before I switch my computer to the screen, I wanted to let you guys know that this is an advanced strategy. If you're a beginner with building funnels, please check out my funnel building videos before you continue with this video, because this one you may not understand right away, but it's okay because you will need this eventually. So I would, kind of bookmark this video and come back to it later, but you will need this strategy. It's kind of intermediate to, I wouldn't say advanced, it's just intermediate, all right? But it's going to literally 4x your affiliate sales, because people often make a mistake of, just sending people either from a YouTube video or some piece of content on a social media platform straight to an affiliate offer, which is literally the worst thing you can do as an affiliate marketer and as an online marketer in whole. So this trick is what I'm going to show you is going to be essential to your affiliate marketing career forever and ever. Okay, I've seen it help in my business and other people's businesses as well. And when I knew this trick, I got super excited because I'm like, oh my God, this is so easy. And it's not hard to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it. But before I do, I wanted to let you know I have a free video training series that goes more in depth about this topic. And so you can catch that free video training in the link below. It's limitlesstrafficacademy.com. And also, if you guys are interested in the paid course that I have, that is also in the link below. That goes literally from A to Z on how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I teach sales funnels as one of that specialties inside that course. So if you're interested, just click the link below and check out, learn more about the resources I have to offer. All right, so go ahead and enjoy this video. Take notes if you have to, because I am giving away gold, and I can't believe I'm giving this away on my channel, but I know it's important for those that are looking to take their business to the next level if they're not getting the sales that they want to right now. Okay, all right, here we go. So we're talking about how to 4x more affiliate sales using this exact funnel. Okay, what I wanted to point out, don't look at this just yet, but look at this over here. So I'm going to draw a little symbol to represent a landing page. Okay, so this is going to be a landing page over here, and in here this is going to symbolize the headline of the landing page, and you're going to have, your little name and email opt-in forms. And so you want to have a capture page right here so you can remarket to them later with email marketing. So when people opt in to this offer, when they click the link and opt in, they come to this bad boy right here. All right. So this is a landing page, or it's actually a thank you page. I'm going to call it a thank you page. So thank you page. And what's important about this thank you page is one thing and one thing only. It's all important, but I'll talk about in a minute what's the most important thing. So what you want to have right here is a headline, an enticing headline. So let's say if you're in the make money online niche, you want to have it say how I went from $0 to $1,000 a week using this system or this strategy or this whatever. And that is a good headline. If you're in the weight loss niche, it's going to be something like, learn how I lost 22 pounds in 4 weeks, using this method and still eating carbs or something like that. So it's got to be enticing. It's got to make people want to at least click on this video and watch it. This right here is going to be your dynamite. This is why people will connect with you and your brand, and they'll also start to trust you and buy the affiliate offer you're promoting. So what you're going to do in this video is, this is called a pre-selling video. So let me write that down. So pre-selling video. So you're pre-selling people to the offer. So you're talking about, congratulations, you just opted in for my blah, blah, blah. Check your email in 10 minutes. But before you do, I want to tell you about my experience with XYZ and this, and that. So let's say it's a product on, let's pick cryptocurrency. And let's say you have a product you're promoting and you're talking about, i.e. cryptocurrency product. Let's say you've had success. And what you're going to say in this video is you're going to talk about how people can, the tips on how people can be successful with this product too. And maybe you'll show some results. Maybe you'll talk about your experience, but so cryptocurrency products, you want to talk about your success, your tips, your experience, your results, and then most importantly, a call to action, call to action at the end, telling them what to do. Okay, so click the link below, go to the affiliate offer. Okay, so, and the other thing I wanted to mention was, if you don't have, let's say, if you don't have results yet, what you can do is reference other people's results, because that people also like to see that too. And so you can do that so that you can still have credibility with this product. All right. So then you'll have a call to action button, and this is going to be where you're going to link to your affiliate offer. And so whenever they click link to affiliate offer, and when they click there, they're going to go ahead and be cookied into the affiliate link. So if they don't buy right then and there, the cookie will be on the link, so they could have, if they buy later on, you'll get the commission. Okay. Other things you can do if you're trying to sell a higher ticket, and with affiliate marketing, a front end product, you don't have to do these things at the bottom if the front end product is, let's say, $50 or less. But if the product is, let's say $100, $100 or more on the front end, then you want to do these things. You want to include these things. Okay. And you want to include maybe some bonuses. So this could be anything. It could be, a link to a video that explains something else. It could be a lead magnet that you have, a PDF that my top 10 tips for X. It could be whatever you want it to be. It doesn't have to, take up much of your time, or you don't have to worry about creating a whole course. Like, bonus, you get my course. Just, maybe include a couple bonuses if you can. Here, if you've made money, or if you've lost weight, or if you've, made money with Bitcoin or whatever it is, you want to have proof here. So, and even if, like, let's say you're in the relationship niche, you want to talk about your success with your relationship or whatever it is. Testimonials. So these can be other people's testimonials. What I suggest with testimonials is, possibly looking up other testimonials on YouTube. Sometimes the sales page will have testimonials, and you can include them on here as well. All right, so that is the anatomy of a high converting funnel that is going to 4x your affiliate sales and income. Now I wanted to show you a couple real life examples. A friend of mine, a mentor that I know online, he's a huge affiliate marketer. I mean, he does like 40 to 60K a month with affiliate marketing. And I don't have internet right now, but I just, analyze one of his funnels just so you guys can get a real life example. And so here is actually his landing page. Okay, and it doesn't have to follow the formula exactly, but here is his landing page. You could see an enticing title, 3 steps to capitalize on the internet right away. So this is showing the person, the visitor, what exactly they're going to see. You know, discover these things, this, and that. And, you know, it looks nice. This is a very credible landing page. And when they opt in, well, looky here. He has bonuses. He has free gifts. And, you know, these really aren't even bonuses. These are just links to, you know, other affiliate networks that he recommends. So when you go here to click and watch his first video 1 training, it comes to this video and voila, like he's in front of the camera and he is doing this right here. He is pre-selling the video or the offer and how it's helped him in his business, how he's gotten results. And so this is pre-selling. I put this here. Pre-selling is also known as indoctrination. And if you have an indoctrination series, that just means, you know, when you have a video, see video 1 of 3. So when people check their email, the next day they're going to get video 2, the next day they're going to get video 3. So that's also known as indoctrination. So you're warming up your potential customer to the affiliate offer and what they are going to expect and how it can help them and solve whatever problem they have. So, and if you look at his, okay, it has a title, the exact method I used to build a 6-7 figure business from scratch. Use this system, boom, affiliate offer right here. And, you know, he also has a downloadable right here. So you know, this funnel is broken down a little bit more. It's not all on one page, but it's pretty much the same anatomy. You can get creative with this, obviously, but, you know, this is the anatomy of a winning affiliate funnel. Also, another pretty big person in the Make Money Online niche is, you know, Freedom Influencer. And if you go to his YouTube channel, his link to his lead magnet is a landing page, and it is a free ebook. And this is his thank you page. And again, you'll see a video. This is, you know, pre-selling the system that he's offering, and it's explaining how he's had success and what to do now. The next step, you know, here's the call to action button to the offer. And so, you know, the formula is all the same. And like I mentioned, this right here, this video is the most powerful tool you are going to have in your funnels and in your marketing. This video right here, okay? So I hope this was helpful. Again, if you're a little bit on the beginner side, I have training about how to build sales funnels. I have multiple. I use a system called Kartra. I don't know. I don't have. Okay, yeah, it's Kartra. I can't click on anything else. I love Kartra. It's super easy for me to build funnels. It's backed by Frank Kern, the #1 internet marketer in the world, or at least one of them. So you can try out Kartra for $1 for 2 weeks if you guys are interested in that. And that is pretty much it. You know, this, just take, you know, go bookmark this video, take notes if you have to, because, you know, this is what's winning. Most affiliates are not going to, you know, give this away online. So I hope you guys got a lot of value from it. If you didn't, man, maybe you just think too small, because this is gold right here. All right. Now, just go ahead and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and shoot me a comment if you have any questions at all. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and I will see you guys soon on one of the next videos.